Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer crypto from Binance to BitKit Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead, go to your BitKit first and go to section of deposit, then choose deposit crypto, then choose the one that you wish to transfer from Binance. Then cross this out for now, then choose a network for you. Make sure you choose the same network from Binance as well. Now go ahead, go to this address, deposit address, and copy it. Before doing that, in BitGet you have to go through the verification process. Once you have done that, you will activate this service from BitGet. Once I've copied the address, you're going to go back and open up your Binance wallet, and then you're going to go to the section of send or transfer. Then tap on deposit crypto, then tap transfer, tap on withdraw crypto. Once you tap on the withdraw crypto section, you're going to go ahead, add in the amount, which will be the same as the USDT that we have selected, the same address, currency. Make sure it's same currency and same network, and then add in the amount, how much you would like to transfer. And then you're also going to add in the address that you have just copied right over there, paste it, and review all of the information for the transaction, confirm it, and you're good to go. That's how you will be able to do so. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.